Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'll help you with a simple tool that will help you grow faster than others. Hey, this is Arun Kumar Bhatt, mentor, business transformation leader, and co-founder of Training Stray. In this competitive era, if you have to survive, you need to run fast. That too, faster than yesterday. Today, we will understand one of the simplest tools used in the business for analysis purpose that also can be utilized for our personal growth. I'm talking about SWOT analysis. This is a commonly used technique in business growth. Today we will see how we can apply that SWOT analysis to our personal growth. Let's start. SWOT stands for strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Personal SWOT analysis can help you achieve your career goal quickly. This tool gives you insight on overall personality, strengths, and weaknesses, what challenges you are likely to face, and what opportunities lies ahead for you. This four quadrant color coded indicates strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Here, strengths and opportunities are favorable things to you and they are within your control, while weakness and threats are unfavorable and mostly driven by external factors. Through this tool, you can explore the correlation between your strengths and weaknesses and also how to leverage your strengths to convert into opportunities and improve weakness to address the threats. Let us start understanding each one of these quadrants. The first one is strength. Strength is what you are good at and it will help you to grow faster than others. While preparing, ask yourself these questions. What do you think your strengths are? For example, education, communication, finance, or influence can be your strength. Also ask what other people say you are good at. People may say good team player, positive attitude, easygoing personality. These are all your strengths. Also look at what skills and experience which makes you different from your competitors. Work experience, a certification, many things can differentiate you from the crowd. So these are all considered to be a strength. Remember, it's very important to brutally honest while creating this list. Otherwise, it will not give you a clear picture of what is your strength and weakness. Your weakness. Weakness is an area in which you are not confident. You need improvement there. Weakness is an area in which you are not confident. Unless you identify those weaknesses and have a strategy to counter, it will hinder your growth. Consider these questions to identify and list all your weaknesses. What task you avoid as you are not confident, like taking responsibility, avoiding commitment. Also look at what are the things you don't like in yourself. What do you regret doing frequently? For example, short temper, impulsive reply, insensitive to people. Also look at what are the negative work habits you feel that needs to be reduced. For example, you could be always late to office. Lame excuses you may be giving. Consider those things as a negative part. Does any part of your education or training need improvement? Look at those areas. Ask your friends and family what do they think about you need an improvement. List all of them. Remember, to identify your real weaknesses, you need to be open minded and don't shut people who criticize you. Next is opportunities. Opportunity is an area where you feel you have edge over others. This opportunities section is used to identify untapped market potential you can leverage. For example, a new job market, new technology you can quickly learn. What is the latest trend in the business environment? Identify the places where there is a less competition. Like that. Also look at what is the growth opportunity in your project. What additional skills takes you to the next level? whether it's a team leader or manager. What is the latest developing trend in the industry across the globe? These questions will open up a real opportunities area which you can tap on. Once you list down all the opportunities, you should be able to connect the dots using your strengths to opportunity and decide the required action to move ahead. Next is threats. This is an area where you need to be careful. Threats are threats to your career growth or business growth. These are basically external factors which will hurt your job perspectives. Consider these questions. Is your industry changing direction? Are you using the latest technology or outdated one? This will give you insight. How is the competition in your area? Are you competing with the freshers or a skilled people? Is there a need to upgrade yourself? How is the global market conditions? Is there a recession on the way? Slow down. Consider that. You need to consider all these factors. Remember, your weakness is connected to threats. You need to design effective mitigation plan quickly to survive in this era. If you are with me thus far, you are one among the few people who are serious about growth. It's very important to create a SWOT analysis with the honesty. You could take inputs from others, but final point has to be yours and that should be convincing you. One of the limitation of the SWOT tool is it's a perception based. Some of the strengths you consider may also consider as a weakness from your competitor or customer. You will have to be objective while creating this analysis. And also, it's very important to connect the dots and take action wherever needed. Finally, once you are aware of your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, taking action, tracking your progress, and measuring the milestones are the key elements of personal development. There's a say in English, old habits die hard. Remember, overnight nothing changes. Little by little, you will get there. But you need to start somewhere and start today. I hope I am able to add value to your life. If you have not yet subscribed, it's time now. In my next video, I will give you how to create an action plan. Till then, take care. Have a wonderful day.